Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're a fan of Chat GPT, you'll know that it's a powerful language model that can generate text based on prompts that you give it. But did you know that Chat GPT can be used for a wide range of tasks, from writing emails to generating creative writing prompts? That's why today, I'm going to be sharing with you the top 5 most useful prompts that you can use with Chat GPT. Whether you're a writer, a student, or just someone who loves to experiment with new technology, these prompts will help you get the most out of Chat GPT. So, let's dive in and see what Chat GPT can do. But first of all, what is a Chat GPT prompt? Chat GPT prompt is a request or question that you input into the openai's GPT language model called Chat GPT. This language model is trained on vast amounts of data and is capable of generating human-like responses to a wide range of prompts and questions. With Chat GPT prompts, you can leverage the power of this language model to generate creative ideas, brainstorm topics, write content, and more. Number 5. Summarize text. The Summarize Text prompt is a powerful tool that can help you quickly and efficiently summarize a longer piece of text. Whether you're a student trying to study for an exam, or a professional trying to stay on top of the latest research in your field, this prompt can be a real-time saver. If we want to summarize an article, we will write summarize in a full stop. Then, we will leave a blank space and paste our article there. Overall, the Summarize Text prompt is a valuable tool for anyone who needs to quickly and efficiently summarize a longer piece of text. Number 4. Translate text. If you need to translate a piece of text into another language, the Translate Text prompt can be a lifesaver. Just give Chat GPT the text you want to translate, and it will generate a translation for you. If we want to translate a paragraph, we will write translate and paste our paragraph. Then, we will write into the language in which we want to translate our paragraph. Number 3. Image Captioning Prompt. The Image Captioning Prompt is a powerful tool that can help you quickly generate captions for images. Whether you're a marketer looking to add engaging captions to your social media posts, or a journalist needing to quickly caption images for a news article, this prompt can save you time and effort. To do this, first we have to give Chat GPT the link to our image. For this, we will use the website Post Image to get the link of our required image. After that, we will open Chat GPT and write caption and add a keyword related to the photo, and then paste the link of our image. Chat GPT's advanced image recognition capabilities and ability to generate natural-sounding text make it a great tool for generating captions for a wide range of images. Overall, the Image Captioning Prompt is a valuable tool for anyone who needs to quickly and efficiently caption images. By using Chat GPT to generate accurate and engaging captions, you can save yourself time and effort and make your images more engaging and informative for your audience. Number 4. Generate jokes. Chat GPT's ability to generate jokes is a fun and entertaining feature that can help lighten the mood and bring a smile to your face. With this prompt, you can ask Chat GPT to generate a joke on any topic you choose. Some examples of topics you can use for the Generate Jokes prompt include animals, food, science, pop culture, technology, sports, and more. Chat GPT's ability to generate jokes is a testament to the model's advanced language skills and understanding of humor. Number 5. Daily Workout Prompt. If you're looking to improve your fitness and lead a healthier lifestyle, Chat GPT can help you achieve your goals with its daily workout prompt. With this prompt, you can ask Chat GPT to generate a personalized workout plan based on your fitness level, preferences, and goals. For example, I will use Chat GPT's workout prompt for my workout. I will create a personalized workout plan. I want to do 3 training sessions a week to build muscle, approximately 1 hour per session. Then, Chat GPT will give me a plan for my entire week. In addition to generating workout plans, Chat GPT can also provide tips and advice on proper form, nutrition, and recovery, helping you get the most out of your workouts and avoid injury. Thank you for watching our video on the top 5 useful Chat GPT prompts. We hope that these prompts have provided you with some inspiration and ideas for how to use Chat GPT to improve your productivity, creativity, and overall well-being. Remember, Chat GPT is an incredibly powerful tool that can help you with a wide range of tasks, from writing and brainstorming to scheduling and productivity. With its ability to draw on a vast repository of knowledge and generate unique responses, Chat GPT is truly a game changer in the world of AI. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about Chat GPT and its capabilities, be sure to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more content. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.